Erik Forman is a recent graduate from the Graduate Center's Cultural Anthropology PhD program. He is the co-founder of CoOp Ride, which is the first driver-owned rideshare platform launched by the Drivers Cooperative in New York City to provide a community-based alternative to Uber and Lyft. Erik and his team demoed the CoOp Ride app for both drivers and passengers. Check out their work and download their app. Links in the description box below.
Hi, my name is Erik Forman. I'm co-founder of the Drivers Cooperative, and we're going to show you our app, CoOp Ride, which is it's a driver-owned rideshare platform, which we have built out a special feature for to provide New Yorkers with a ride to the polls.
Hey everyone, my name is David. I'm a volunteer with the Driver Co-op. I'm on the Brain Trust, and I've just been helping out with the tech side, building the product, and really excited to demo it to you guys.
Hi, my name is Valerie. I am in the driver engagement department, so I onboard the drivers that will be driving you around.
So I think we're going to start off just by showing our platform has two mobile apps, a driver app and a rider app. The rider app is called CoOp Ride. So we'll show you what that looks like when we launch it over here. So this is the home screen here. On the other screen over here, if you don't want to mind panning over, we'll launch the driver app. So that's the home screen in the driver app. And so coming back to the rider app over here, David, would you like to book a ride to the polls? So we built out an integration with an API, the Civic Information API from Google, which uses the Voter Information Project to provide data on where people can go to vote and when. We've integrated that in the back end so that when riders open the app, they immediately see when and where to go to vote, and with the tap of a button, can book an on-demand or pre-scheduled trip to the polls. We're raising funding right now to be able to provide those trips for free through the Drivers Cooperative driver-owned rideshare platform in New York City. And we hope to make that available all across the country because folks may not be aware, but since 2018, over 100,000 polling locations have been closed down in the United States, which makes it harder for working class people to go vote, which we believe is critical to protect our democracy. So we built technology that enables that. So let's see how it works. So first step is a rider can book a trip or book a ride. We're downtown right now, and we're booking a trip to David's polling location. In the driver app now, if we pan back over here, as a driver, I'm accepting the trip. And the navigation's loading. So it's detected I'm at the pickup, so we automatically change the state to arrived at pickup. So David, are you ready to go to the polls?
Absolutely. Let's vote.
All right, let's get in. So we're going to now... picked up the passenger, and now over in the rider app you can see we've got the ETA. This is integrated live traffic data, and as the driver, we'll pretend we're driving right now, vroom vroom, on our way to your polling location. And then eventually over here is the driver. The navigation is here for me to follow as a driver. So we're now going to complete the trip. And now it's back to you, David.
All right.
Decide who's going to tip me as the driver.
All right. I'm going to give him a nice tip. Thank you for driving me to the polling spot.
Thank you, David. David is an excellent passenger. So in the driver app, I'm going to rate driver 5 stars. Really happy David's participating in democracy by voting. And that's how our platform works. So as you can see, it's an experience for riders and drivers very similar to Uber, but with a couple big differences. One is the platform is owned by the drivers, which means that if there are profits, they go back to the drivers. It also means that every decision we make in developing the technology and setting the business logic for the company is made with drivers' interests in mind and with accountability to drivers through the elected board of the co-op. So we're in beta right now, about to roll this out for all riders in New York City. So we hope you'll download CoOp Ride and book a trip with the co-op. Valerie, you want to say anything as we're anything we want to leave our guests with?
I would like to say that we are inclusive, so with all your disability needs, we will meet your need. Ride with us. and be confident that you'll get a comfortable ride. Thank you very much.
So we've built in features in the app, both for drivers and for riders, to make it easy for folks to tell other people about the app. If you just open up the recruit screen, you'll see this.
And that part, that's not run through Breaking Tech though, right? That's CVS device. That's good.
So if you scan this QR code, the driver app it'll take you to the driver app in the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. If you toggle it over to Recruit a Rider, and you let a friend scan that, that'll take them right to the App Store or Play Store to download the Rider app. So you can scan this code, or if you tap the button share, you can send a text message, email to a friend to tell them to take a co-op ride, your community-owned rideshare service. Thanks a lot.